Let me double check. Okay, just 1 second, guys. We are live? Yes, we are. Okay, let me share this. Okay, let me go to X. Share on X. And Discord. Mm-hmm. Announce. Let me just comment this. Boom. Quote. Here. Perfect. Okay, should we get started or no? Yo, Kayan, how are you, bro? I remember you from Twitter. Hello, 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 hello. Welcome everyone. Welcome everyone. Long time no see, man. Long time no see. I know you guys see me on the X. I know you guys see me on Discord every now and then. I come say hi and then I leave. Oh yeah, let's wait. Let's wait until everyone comes. How's everyone though? How's everyone? I hope you participated. The only thing you need to do is make sure you are subscribed to this YouTube channel. For now, I'm gonna be live streaming in English, but eventually we're gonna switch to Spanish just on here. But I can do live streams in other places in English for you guys. So just make sure you follow this YouTube channel. Make sure you follow us in the ThinkCapital S Spanish ThinkCapital on Instagram and on X. And that's it. That's all you gotta do. 3 steps, and you are in for the giveaway. What we're looking at today, can you guys see my chart? You guys can, right? Yes. So right now I'm looking at gold. I already finished trading. Hold on. When did you post it already? One second, guys. I just go on TradingView, which is easier. Hold on. Stay with me. Don't know the task? God is crazy, yeah. Hello, Oba. Give me 1 second, guys. Just wanna go on TradingView better. Yeah, bro. Gold is crazy. I mean, I always follow the trend. So obviously we are super bullish. So I only look for buy opportunities. I explain some more now. Just give me 5 minutes for more people to come. 1 second. TradingView. We don't want futures. We are looking for CFDs. So XAU, USD. Here. Perfect. We got it. And now let me switch this. In this week, this week has been crazy for gold. Hold on. I'm trying to figure out how to share this one. Damn, it's dropping. Hold on. I got a screen here. Now let me come here. Okay. That should be working now. Yeah? Let me see. You guys can see. Yeah, you guys can see it. Perfect. Andre, are you watching? Is this better? You guys can see the screen? Yeah. What is ThinkCapital S? So basically, ThinkCapital S. So as you guys know, you guys follow ThinkCapital, just normal ThinkCapital. But now what we're doing, we are expanding to Latin America, Spain. Just expanding to reach more people out. Since I am the only one who speaks Spanish, I am in charge of these social medias. So yeah, so eventually we just want to be posting in Spanish in this channel, but obviously everyone is welcome to come. Everyone is welcome to learn Spanish, and we will be doing giveaways. So I'm trying to do weekly giveaways, so weekly live streams for you guys. Have some fun. I'm also want to do some talent shows. I'm gonna announce it soon, but I want to do talent shows where you guys can participate. Damn. You guys can participate in the talent show. Turn your camera on, turn your microphone on, and show us whatever talent you guys have. I don't know, do a backflip, sing, play the piano, whatever your skill is, and and the best one will get. What are you doing? And the best one will get a giveaway. You want to say hi? No, you don't want to say hi. You want to leave? Leave. But yeah, that's the plan basically. That's the plan. Yeah, you guys can see it's working perfect. Okay, so let me get started on how I trade. It's very simple. I already made. I don't know. I've been very lucky, maybe. You hear the dog barking? Yeah, man. But it's not. That's not my dog. But this is a cat that me and my girlfriend adopted. Um, I do love animals, man. I wish I could have my own pet. The people who cannot speak Spanish can also participate. Yes, you guys can, of course. Everyone is welcome. This YouTube channel is new, so obviously we don't have enough Spanish people. But as you guys know me from just speaking English on all the socials. So everyone is welcome. I want to make sure everyone can have a chance to win a giveaway, even if you don't understand. Even if I speak Chinese right now, it doesn't matter. Hey. I don't know what he's doing. But who's ready? Who is ready? Hello, boys. Hello, Nelson. Who is ready? Who is ready to learn how I trade? Who's ready? I want to see in the chat. If you guys are not ready, I'm not saying nothing. I'm not gonna say anything. Okay, let me get the dog out because he's barking. Myla, stop. Ready? Okay. So I don't trade no ICT. I don't trade smart money concepts. Okay, now he wanna go back in. Hold on, 1 second. I just wanna leave the door open. You can come. You can go wherever you want. So I don't trade no ICT. I don't trade none of that. Speak some Chinese and Spanish. Bueno, chicos, ¿cómo estáis? Aquí estamos hablando español. Bienvenidos al primer live stream en este canal. Happy now? So I don't trade none of that. I trade actually very simple, and it's slightly different to how I used to trade before. Okay, it's slightly different to how I used to trade before. So let's get to it. I basically trade very simple supply and demand, and it sounds a little bit stupid. Not stupid, but it sounds a bit too simple. But that's basically all I do, and it works. Like it works. I try to just follow the trend, find opportunities to jump in the trend, and just do simple supply and demand. You guys can see this. So what I do, either start on the daily or I start on H4. The daily now is a bit pointless because we just been on a we just been flying. So let's say I just go on H4. Well, before I go on H4, like a month ago, it was like this, right? It was raining. So I just mark whatever the support zone and the supply zone is. So let's start with like some regular boxes. So what I do, let's say this was the top, right? So this is the end of this candle, and I also include the week. That's the highest it's been. Okay. So as you guys can see, it works because every time we reach this point, prices bounce, it bounce, it bounce, it bounce. But however, the trend overall is still bullish, as you guys can see, right? So doesn't matter if we bounce. I mean, it could be a good scalping or intraday opportunity for sales, but nevertheless, I don't enter. And then I have my support zone right here, as you guys can see. And now what I do, I basically just wait for price to either bounce from here and get in, or to break through this zone. Okay. Now, this week wouldn't matter. So let's say I just do the other ones. See here, here. So in this case, I would have just waited for price to break through this key level right here, and from here I will start looking for buys. Okay. It was a bit of a hard time because it's consolidation. So I hate to trade during consolidation. My worst performance is during consolidation. So I try not to trade. Okay, so let's get back to now. So daily, obviously, there's not much to mark up on the daily. So I would just go on H4 and look for my zone. So we have one here. Let's say we just do the same thing. Okay. We have the bottom zone right here. Sorry. Now the top zone would have been here. So I will just do this and including the week. Okay. See price break to this. Okay. This would have been some nice buys, but then we came back. But we came back to this zone. So we still also within the range, right? So this was also a nice opportunity to buy, or you can just wait. We can actually move the whole zone here if you want to be more safe, on the safe side. Okay, so this would have been our range from, I think this was last week. And just be patient, I'm getting to the present. Okay, so this was our zone, which then we can move up a little bit. As you guys can see, we already broke through this zone, okay? And now this resistance zone is working as a support zone. So I will just move it here. And this will be my top side. This is on H4. Boom. Right here. Right here. So these were my zones, okay? Now we get into the present. Now we here, okay? This is H4. This is our new support zone. Now I was gonna say the resistance zone was here, but we already broke through to that. So our current zone is this. As you guys can see, we just bounced right now. So let me mark this up, and now we go back to H1. Boom. Okay. So this is our top right now. Let's see what we see on H1. And let me read the comments. I'm not reading no comments, sorry. Grande Nosa, ¿cómo estáis, guys? ¿Cómo estáis? ¿Cómo estáis? So basically, breakout trading zone. Yeah, it's kind of like it can be breakout. So whenever we break through the zone to the top side, or it can be whenever we bounce from our support zone. That's basically how I trade. I just trying to find opportunities to jump into the trend and follow the trend. From the higher lows? Yeah, exactly. So now let me go back. So this is H1 right now. So we have, let me readjust. So this is the zone that we have right now. You guys can see it, right? So we are ranging right now from almost 3,900. Almost. Is that Andre? No, Andre. Yeah, I think so. I think so. So we are ranging from this zone all the way to this zone right now. Hopefully we don't go all the way down here. So what I like to trade is the M30. So on M30 right now we have, this is our top zone, and I can't really tell you what the bottom zone is because I don't think this one has the strength. But let's say just for the sake of marking up that this is our bottom zone. Okay. So our current zone that I'm looking at right now is just these two zones right now. For today, these are the two zones that I have right now. So I want to see price either, bounce from here. Like I want to see a wick taking these lows, and I want to see an engulfing candle or a doji and then an engulfing candle right here in this zone, just as a confirmation that we are reacting to this zone. The support zone is valid, and then I can start buying and stop loss here, or I can just be patient and wait for price to break through these highs and continue pushing. That's what I will be looking right now. Now let me read the comments. What if the breakout fails, like a fake out? So if it's a fake out, right? Let's see. So in this case, obviously you have to have good risk management, right? It's all about probabilities. So if you back test this, and let's say right now for the past 2 weeks my win rate is like over 70-80%. So I'm mostly right, but I'm also risking like $200, and my take profit is like 1,000. So let's say now price does this. Say price come here, whatever. I don't trade this. Comes down, comes up. We break through here. Okay, maybe a little retest, and we go. Okay. Now I will try to enter buys here. This will be my entry. And Myla, let's say my stop loss is here. Okay, Myla, come. Dogs, man, dogs. Let's say my stop loss is here. Okay, my take profit will be maybe like around here. Okay. Now, if I get stopped, I know I was wrong. It was like a fake breakthrough or breakout, and I just I took my stop loss, good risk management, and that's it. But mostly we are trading right now. I don't see too much consolidation at this moment. The only thing that I can see from today until Friday, because the U.S. government just shut down. We still don't know when they're gonna reopen or have a decision. I don't think the news are gonna be released yet. So until then, we can expect some choppy markets. But it's all about having a system that you back test. You know that you are right either most of the times, or if you don't have a high win rate, at least have a high risk to reward. So in this case right now, if I lose 200. If I win, I win $1,000, which is a good RR. And that's it. That's how you go about it. I don't really like breakthroughs because of what you say, that it can come here perfect. It can come here, retest, come up, and then come down again, maybe, and then come out after. So I don't like that. I prefer if we come down here. For me, the A+ setup is if we come down here to the support zone, a doji, test this lows, take the lows, whatever, and then give me a sign that we are reacting to this zone. and I prefer that, to be honest. And as always, just follow the trend. And let me go read the comments. I see you have two EMAs. It's just for so the strategy that I used to use before when I started trading. I don't use the EMAs too much now, but I started trading using Beat the Market Maker. I don't know how many of you guys heard of that, but it basically consists of using the 50 EMA, 200 EMA, and 13 EMA. And instead of an RSI, you use a TDI. So do you wait for the H1 or 10 minutes? So I do my markups on usually on M30 on 30 minutes time frame or on H4. Okay. So if it's a zone that are marked on H4, let's say we have a breakout of that zone and on M30. But remember, we need the breakout to happen on H4 if the zone is from H4. Now, if it's the same zone for H4 and M30, you can take it on M30. I usually just wait for M30 to close. I always like to wait for the candle to close. I don't like to enter before the candle closes because I don't know how it's gonna end up closing. Do you perform trade high time frame or lower time frame? I mark my zones on H4 and M30, but most of my entries are usually on M15 on or M5. I don't know if I show you on the camera my entry for today. I entered last night during the Asian session. Look, I don't know if you can see it. Hold on. Can you guys hold on? I don't know if you guys can see it, but that was my entry for gold risking 200. I made 1,000. You remember the market maker stuff? So you only trade gold? Yeah, I used to trade forex before, only forex with the Beat the Market Maker. But now since September 2024, I only trade gold. That's all I trade right now. Only gold. That's it. What is the shift in mindset that makes a trader move from break even to become profitable? So this is a hard question, right? Because I feel like every advice that you give, it can be valid. Everyone is different. So I can tell you what it worked for me or what is working for me. Okay. So unfortunately or fortunately, when I started trading, I was broke. Like I had no money, like literally no money. At that time, I was also in the United States. I was a college athlete, so I was playing basketball in the university. I had a student visa, so I couldn't legally work in the US. So I didn't have any sorts of income. I was just there for college. I had everything paid off because of my scholarship, but that's it. Now, in terms of, by the way, if you guys can drop some likes in the live stream, I will be so happy if we can get to like 5 likes right now. But yeah, so having no money was definitely something that really affected me because why you might have the strategy, but when you want to trade, you want to feel anxious to make the money. You want to feel stressed or excited, but too excited, and you want to make money. And whenever you do a challenge, I don't know if you guys feel this way. But this was me all the time. I didn't have money for like a 10K account. Like I will buy a $10,000 account, and then I don't know when will be the next time that I want to be able to buy a new account. I don't know if you guys feel related to that. So I didn't know when I was gonna have the money, and maybe I was doing well. I was up 3%, 4%, whatever, and then I started thinking like, damn, and $10,000 account is not a lot, but I was like, damn, if I pass this account, I can make some money, just to buy groceries or just to. I don't need like a proper salary, but it will be extra money that I can use. I start thinking on all the things that I could possibly do with that account. Now, that just adds more stress. That adds more pressure. So whenever I'm in drawdown, I start cutting the close early. So let's say I'm down 0.2% and my stop loss is 0.5%. I close it and then it reverses and goes to take profit, but I already closed in a loss, right? So that's exhausting. Do you agree prop trading changed the whole game for us, more traders? Yeah, I feel like obviously trading prop firms and trading live accounts is very different. You do have more rules and more things on prop firms, but at the same time, I feel like if you start with prop firms, it makes you learn that you need proper risk management because you can just YOLO, you can just like go all in a your own personal account and blow it, but you cannot go all in with prop trading because you're gonna risk more than 1% or 2%. You have like a 5% daily drawdown or 4% daily drawdown, stuff like that. The hard reality, if you don't have money and you cannot afford buying accounts, it's good to participate in giveaways so you have the chance to win a free account, obviously. But I will say you gotta put also the same effort in finding a job. And I know it might be difficult in some countries. Like for example, when I was in the United States and I couldn't work, I mean, I didn't think about it at that time. But if you are around Discord a lot, or if you have any other skill, like you know how to edit videos, you know how to edit photos or motion graphics, any skill. There's a lot of freelancing work that you can do online. Like I'm serious about it. You gotta find your way on LinkedIn, on Upwork. There's so many websites. And now this is specifically for those who are, maybe from Nigeria or India, Pakistan, maybe those countries where even if you have a job, the salary is not a lot, and you can afford buying like a big account. It's like someone holding you accountable to you for your mistakes and your rules. Yeah, you can see it that way, and I feel like once you get the whole to prop trading, like I remember like a few years ago, every account that I bought, I was blowing it. And then I started finding some consistency, and now most of the accounts that I buy, I pass them. Now the difficult part is once you pass them, now you gotta get to the payout. That's the hard thing now. But I mean, yeah, it's all levels to this game. Hello, Mon. How are you? What about you guys? Let me know in the comments, and also make sure you like in the. I don't mean the chat, like giving a like on the chat. I'm saying the live stream. Just click on the thumbs up and like it. But yeah, I want to know more about you guys, man. When did you guys start it? I started trading back in 2021, so it's been like 4 years now. By the way, you guys can see how gold is dropping, and now some people will say, "Oh, gold already went up too much. Now it's time to sell." The thing is that if you sell right here, what is your stop loss? Above the highs here, and what is your take profit? Because it can easily just bounce from here. You don't know it's gonna bounce. You don't. Do you think we're gonna get to here to sell? I don't know, man. I think it's easier to just wait for buy opportunity and ride the trend because we are not like ranging right now. We are trending. You get what I'm saying? But that's just me. That's just how I trade, and that's how I've been making my money every day this week, basically. I don't know how much I'm up. I think I'm up like 6,000, 7,000 on a 50K account. Crazy. I struggle a lot with phase two. How you, bro? It's like I said, bro. Everything is just levels to this. So first, you're gonna be struggling to pass phase one, and then phase two is actually easier, but you have more pressure. More pressure. I would say you gotta find a way for yourself not to care about the account. Now, I'm not saying you have to full margin the account and not care. No, I'm saying not to care if you blow it or not, but at the same time taking care of it. So just do the same thing that you did for phase one. And if you lose the trade, you lose the trade. If you win the trade, you win the trade. You gotta find a way to make yourself not care, just care about your performance. So did I take the proper trade? This is my setup. Yes. Okay. Boom. Now I trade. This is not my setup. Okay. I don't take it. But on phase two, you're gonna feel like you have too much pressure. Now you are rushing trades. Now you're closing early on wins. You're closing early on losses, and that's basically what's holding you down. But there's gonna be a moment that you're gonna pass the account, and now everything is up from there. Glad to see a fellow gold. Yes, sir. I only trade gold right now. Staying with the trend is better than taking random trades. Yeah, I agree with that, bro. I agree. I mean, everything is very abstract, right? Like there might be some people that they like to go against the trend, and there's nothing wrong with that. There's people that be trading trend lines, ICT, CRT, whatever, boxes, moon cycles. As long as you are profitable, that's all that matters. As long as you make money. I'm trading in 2 years, but I'm not disciplined. What do you suggest me? Well, that just depends on you, no? Why do you think you're not disciplined right now? What do you think is holding you back? You don't have enough money to buy accounts. You don't have discipline because why don't you have discipline? What is not discipline? That you take too many trades. How many pips do you use for your stop loss? And so I used to do that before, but ever since like 2 years ago, especially on TradingView, not TradingView, sorry, on MT5. So I don't know if I can show it right now, but you can find it. It's free on Google. So I have this indicator. It's not AI. It's an indicator, and it's a position size calculator. Okay, so let's say, just for the sake of the explanation, I just want to do it here. But let's say I want to go long here, for example. Okay. So let's say my take profit is here, whatever. Now, let's say on the indicator on NT5, let's say I want to raise only 1%. So I already have my settings set that I only want to raise 1%. So whatever I put my stop loss, it says here how many lots I need to put. So it doesn't matter if my stop loss is here, if it's 10 pips, 20, 50, 100, the lot size is going to change. The bigger the stop loss, you know. But yeah, so I basically just use a calculator. So sometimes my setup is going to present, and I want to give it more room to breathe, and I have a wider stop loss. Then I just lower my lot size. So for me, the amount of pips that I use for take profit or stop loss doesn't matter. For me, all I care is how much I'm risking. Okay, that's it. That's basically what I wanted to explain. Hello, nobody. Hello, how are you? You haven't seen me before? Yeah, man. I never done the live streams. I think, but I always been around, man. I'm the content creator for ThinkCapital. You're gonna see me in many of the videos from ThinkCapital. And right now, what I'm doing, I just been running the Spanish social media. How are you though? How are you guys? And have you guys traded today? Also, make sure you are subscribed because very soon I'm gonna be announcing the giveaway winners. And for sure, I already know the names of you guys like Mark, Mon, D, nobody, who else? Kaiden, a lot of you guys that have been here, Anas, Nelson. So the more you guys are, engaging with the videos, next time I can just be like, hey, for one of you guys, I want to do just a giveaway just for you guys, right? The four of you. You know what I'm saying? Because at the end of the day, this is a giveaway for everyone, but it's also important that everyone stay active and engaged. You didn't take any trade? That's fine, bro. If you didn't see anything. Also, by the way, I mostly trade Asian session. I forgot to say that. I trade mostly Asian session. Previous day high is taken out, so I'm not sure it will go high. That's very true. Previous day high, that was basically my take profit for today. This Asian session. So right now, the only thing that I want to see is either a bounce from here, or you can also have like a bounce from this area right here. So either way, I want to see price go up, but it's most likely that we're gonna be chopping, consolidating, ranging a little bit for now. So this is M30. If I go down to M5, this is what M5 looks like. M15. Oh, I need to take a picture of the cat. Sorry. Ooh, sleeping. Myla, you don't like the dog? You can remove the dog from the audio. The fuck? I didn't know that was possible. Wow. Hello, Chaitan. Chaitan, how are you? And how you find Asian station in my country? That's midnight. I need to sleep. So when I was leaving, well, a few months ago, I was in the UK. So that would be basically like midnight, 1 a.m. So I was basically staying until like 1, 2 a.m. trading, and then if I didn't see anything, I just go to sleep and come back for London or pre New York. But right now I'm in the States. I'm in Miami, so for a few months. So it's actually easier because for me, Asian session starts I think at 7 8 p.m. Market opens at 6 p.m. So it's afternoon, evening. I'm free, so I just watch the charts for a little bit, a couple of hours, trade, not trade, and then I just go to sleep. London, I've always been trading in London my whole life, just London. But London for me now is very early. What price action is Asian session is choppy? No, to be honest, I've been finding since October last year, gold moves a lot. I want to say a lot is a lot during Asian session, like a lot, bro. Like for example, look, this whole Asian session, I think the day started here. Oops, this is how much it moved. This Asian session, it's moving a lot though. Really, I actually see a lot of traders. I see a lot of traders trading during Asia, but I don't know why, bro. I never traded Asia before, and to be honest, I always heard that Asia is very, choppy, ranging, very slow. Nobody trades Asia, but I can't lie, bro. Asia been super, super profitable for me lately. Also, I mean, if I don't see anything in the first few hours of Asia, I just go to sleep and then I come back for before New York session. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, yeah. Gold price action. Yeah, for gold price action, yes. Maybe for other like Euro USD or whatever, maybe Asia is not that good, but for Asia is good. And hold on, let me text Andre. Andre, are you still here? Okay, let me text you real quick. No, X as in Twitter. Both. So Mayla. So I actually, if you see my Twitter on the pin tweet that I have, is basically just announcing that the the weekly giveaways for the live stream, and I also posted it on the Spanish X. So both is the same thing. Ven aquí, ven. ¿Qué pasa? Eh? And also, I saw one guy doing live streams just on YouTube, and they were like, "The dog stays." Yeah. You wanna say hi? Come, come. I wanna say hi to you. Come. Oh yeah. Go say hi. Oi. Say hi, Baila. Say hi to the people. No, like so I usually just do the giveaways. Like I use the giveaway picker for X, right? And it just picks. But I was asking if there's any uh, option to do the same thing, but to give you like a list of all the people that participated. so I can have the names and do like a duck race. And no, not just on the live stream, both. So live stream, I want to do like an account for the people who are right now on the live stream, and the other two accounts for the people just in general that participated. That follow the Think Capital S on X, Instagram, and subscribe to YouTube. Leo love the dog. Do you trade the day before NFP? Sometimes yes. Like if I don't see, I just trade the setup. I don't care if we have news or not. Well, I do care if we have news, but yeah, if I see a setup, I take it. That's it. Uh, Usually, what I find before NFP, like the same day, is the price is either very choppy and I don't see any entries until after NFP, or I do see a setup before NFP and I take it, but then I close it before the news. Okay. Mhm. Yeah. Yeah. No, the dark race will be for the live stream. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Perfect. How long did it take you to become profitable confidently? So I feel like sometimes I have like losing streaks, sometimes I've been, on fire, but I feel more uh, consistent in that sense since, let me think, since I can't remember if it was last year or 2 years ago. I think it was 2 years ago. I passed my first 100K account, and then I had like a big payout, and ever since I've been pretty consistent. Now I've been having like ups and downs, so having to pause trading for a little bit. Like I had to pause trading for like a couple of months recently because I was moving out, and Miami is super expensive. But now I'm back to trading. Hey Andrea, now I'm back to trading. I'm up like almost 7,000. You say what? 50K account? 250K? Oh, eight on futures. Okay, okay. What about the day before CPI? The day before CPI. So the day before like big news, I still don't care. Like I just care what price action is looking like. If it's very choppy and very ugly, I just don't trade. But if everything is smooth and I see my setup, then I take it. That's the same thing as some people say, like, oh, I don't trade during summer because it's very slow, whatever. And then I always heard that when I started learning how to trade, like, oh, August is the worst month to trade, and I always had my best months on August. So it depends. It always depends on the way you trade. Some people don't like to trade the day before news. Some people don't like to trade the same day that we have news, etc. You try to stay away from NFP and CPI days. I just don't trade. Yeah, that's completely fine. I mean, you don't have to trade every day. That's the main goal for trading. No, you don't need to trade every day. You make your money. Let's say today, if you have a good day, you make your money, and you come back tomorrow or the next day or next week, whatever. Like that's the main point. Yeah, maybe next time I need a better organization. Maybe like an hour, so like 10 more minutes or 9 more minutes. Guys, please, please, please go like the YouTube stream. Make sure you subscribe, and soon we're gonna be doing the live stream. Oh, we have. Oh, sorry, that was my fault. I didn't reload the page. I thought we had 0 likes. Sorry. ICT traders don't trade the day before NFP and CPI. I mean, if that's what works for them, perfect. I never traded ICT, but I do know a bit of like fair value gap, all the blocks and all that, but I never really use them. Done and done. Thank you so much, T. I love you.
Okay, I'm here as host now.
Okay. And one question. So I saw one of my friends' live streams on YouTube as well. And
Okay.
when he does the giveaways in YouTube, what he does is so he might have someone say like, okay, to participate, just comment this like join, and you will automatically be on the list for the giveaway.
Okay, so
I don't know how
that
that
should be a
works.
bot that I
Okay.
haven't added in the YouTube account, but we can do what Evan does. I'll share you the link.
Okay.
Hey,
Okay.
hey, chat.
Yeah, Andre's here, man. Bro, Andre, I'm waiting to get super funded with futures and be like, I don't. See, it's always hey Andre. It's never hello Adrian. How are you? Never. What about me, man? What about me?
Yo, we got the same name. Okay, okay. So earlier I was talking regarding futures. I just breached my 250K account. Quite sad.
Why is that? You said you reached your 250K account? Oh, you
Breach.
breached.
Yeah, breach.
I don't know why. I thought you said you reached. You just got funded. No way,
I reached
man.
funded, then I was about to reach payout. Greed took me, then damn breached the account. Hey chat. What was promotion you wrote about?
It
Okay,
happens, man.
to clarify that one, our
Yeah.
marketing team sent out a specific promotion. I think 30% or 40% discount.
Okay.
Hopefully, you receive the email.
I thought you were
Uh,
talking to me. You were talking to the. So
to chat.
now Andre is the star of the live stream. I was supposed to be the star. No, I'm leaving. I'm leaving.
No, no, that's stay. I
Ooh,
sent you the
you know
links.
you know what we can do? Okay, so
Uh,
look, this is what I want to do. I want to do one giveaway.
okay.
It might be too much. I want to do one giveaway for. Okay, I'll do this for the next live stream. This one is gonna be
Mm-hmm.
normal, but for the next live stream, I want to do a trading competition. You know the tournament page that I sent you a while ago.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's what I want to do, and the winner gets an account.
Oh, we can do it. The team approved before, as long as it's quick. Wait, again.
Okay, I'm using the website that you just gave me. Title. Adrian. Let's say I want to do 2 accounts. Okay, account confirm. Okay. Okay, I think I got it.
Uh,
Okay, so for everyone that's watching this, are you guys here with me? So I believe to participate, you need to do hashtag and comment join. I think. No promise that's gonna work.
Yes. So, guys, chat. Remember, excuse me. Remember event stream. Leave hashtag join. Then Adrian will share his screen to show the live draw.
Mm-hmm. Hashtag. Everyone hashtag join. There you go. There you go. And for the next time, guys, what do you think about doing a trading tournament? Does that sound good for you guys? If you guys want to lose against me, you know what I'm saying? If you guys want to lose against me, but the winner will get an account. Join. 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 Let's go. Is that everyone? Everyone participating?
Okay. Adrian, I shared you a screenshot. You should show on your end so that you can choose the winners.
What screenshot? Ah, okay. So what do I do with that?
So just click continue.
Okay.
Then click go here.
Oh, it says. Well, hold on. I think I have to do it again.
You have two winners, right? Two winners.
Yeah.
Minimum
Okay,
mention.
continue.
Exclude duplicate.
Giveaway by Adrian. Mayra. The dog, man. The dog. Okay.
And filter by
So
hashtag. So it should be like
hashtag.
this.
Hold
And
on.
just
Mayra,
share
ven.
your screen with the live stream.
Yeah. 1 second. So hashtag join. Boom. Yeah.
Join all. Shazayib, so
Exclude
we're doing
duplicate.
a giveaway. Uh, Adrian gave the instructions. Please follow. Make sure that you're doing the same spelling as
Yeah.
Adrian. Small letter JOIN.
Okay. I think I got everything. Yeah. So it's hashtag join. Just no capital on the first letter. There you go. I think we're ready, no?
Wait, let me check. Two winners, exclude duplicates, one hashtag join. No comments match
No
yet.
comment much.
So we need to make sure everyone is following. Also change your screen.
Okay, maybe if I just do like join. Okay, let me see. No? Why is it not working?
One sec.
Hashtag join. Let me reload the page. Continue. Boom. Into account. What do you mean join a search? Okay.
So
Okay, I think
everything
we
good?
yeah, I think we got it. Let me share my screen. Are you guys ready or not? Yeah, you guys are ready? Okay. Let's see. You guys can see this? Can you all see it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Are we ready? Yeah. Start. Okay, let's get it,
Big
boys. Let's
opportunity.
get it. Okay, those are the two winners.
Wait, who are they? Let me take a screenshot.
What are the two winners? Are you guys here?
Tell them to DM me.
I think it's 79 entries, but it doesn't count because it might be duplicates, like the same message from a lot of people.
Yeah, it
But
won't count duplicates.
yeah,
Mm, congratulations, guys. Please don't forget to DM me, okay? So that Adrian winners can get their counts.
yeah. DM Andre or DM me. I just saved the screenshot here, and now I'm just gonna do the normal giveaway as well. Hold on. For the X thingy.
So it will be quite complicated. So you need to adjust the user rules.
Yeah, and then I also need to check like whenever they win, I need to check with them if they follow the instructions because sometimes they don't.
Then do like three draws. Then so that we have references. Wait, did you hear me doing that? Sorry, I was mute.
You said to do three draws
Yeah.
or one, just one, no? Already be two for
No.
the
I mean
thingy.
in X because there's a different instruction.
Okay, but I can only pick one.
No. Wait. Let me help you with that. So winner count you can adjust. You can type 2, 3. Then in user rules you need to adjust the settings.
Yeah. So with user rules, profile image, banner, description. Yeah. Yeah. What is that? Minimum tweet account any. Yeah. Account older than a month. Okay, 1 week. Yeah. Minimum followers. One. Okay. They come. Yeah. Okay. Perfect. That's it, no? Okay, so again, it's only one winner, right? No three, because I already have two from the YouTube, so I need one more. So it's three in total. Okay, so I do two. Was that? Oh, the live streaming. Oh, yeah, sorry. Okay, let me switch pages. Share something else. Windows. Okay, here you guys can see it. Yeah. Okay. Big winners. So the first one, right? Unknown trader two. So these are the three winners. Now, for the winners of YouTube, how do we do about it? Like, to know their email and how can we like be okay. Yeah, okay. So right now that I'm YouTube, just to make sure, Saha Saib Khan. Yeah, you did win. Can you send me a DM on X? And who was the other one? Mm-mm. Shaitan? Shaitan, are you still here? I think he left. Let me see if I can find them as well on Twitter. So okay, maybe not. Yes, I have sent you a DM to Andre on Discord. Why is always Andre? It's never me. Okay, so Shaitan send a DM to Andre Saib Khan. Can you send a DM to Andre as well on Discord if you can? Or yeah, on Discord. And by the way, have you guys seen gold? That shit dropped. Dropped. Yeah, yes, please send a DM to Andre on Discord if you can.
For those who DM me over Discord, I'll respond after this live stream.
Okay. And I'll send a DM to which one was the winner for X unknown trader. So
You found him already?
yeah, well I'm on it. Unknown trader.
Wait, I think he's from Dubai. Ain't we
Yeah.
banned Dubai?
Fuck. Yeah, it says Dubai trader in forex market.
Wait, didn't we ban Dubai? I mean, is it allowed? All right.
I don't know. Let's see. Let's find out. So ThinkCapital. Okay. Restricted countries. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Uh, I don't think I'm seeing any Dubai. No, I don't think I see any Dubai. No, I don't think Dubai is restricted.
Then that's good. I thought we banned it.
No. And you should have a DM from Shaitan and Saib Khan. I think. And my winner. Also, you guys, Saithab, Khan, and Shaithan, can you guys just comment here on YouTube what is your Twitter handle so I can do the just post the winners and tag you guys. Search UAE. ¿Has dado yo todos los ganadores, Sosa? ¿Qué está diciendo? Sí, igualmente lo hago cada semana. Cada semana voy a hacer sorteos, así que no te preocupes. Y para que sea la próxima vez, estamos haciendo sorteos tanto en YouTube como en Twitter. O sea, si ya has participado en Twitter, no tienes que participar más. Siempre puedes comentar en el tweet que tengo puesto. Y si estás presente aquí en YouTube, también hacemos como una especie de mini sorteo para la gente que está aquí activa. So, okay. Let me copy and notes real quick. So, winners. Rayaya. Saika 2. Unknown. En Discord también. O sea, pongo en consideración todos. Pongo los nombres de todos. Unknown. Trader 2. Es básicamente como una cuenta sorteada para cada cosa. Unknown Trader 2. And Sci-Fi Khan, can I have your Twitter, please? And Andre, do you see the DMs already? And by the way, guys, gold dropped. Damn. Shish. Okay. Okay, I think that's it for the stream today. Massive drop, ¿eh? Yeah. Ah, sí. Sí, no te preocupes. Pues en Discord yo lo voy anunciando también antes de tiempo. Send. Okay, I think that's it for today, no, Andre? The next stream every Thursday. I'm streaming every Thursday. Every Thursday at 9:30 a.m. EST. See you, bro. See you guys next Thursday. What's that? No, it's okay. Do you receive the DMs from them? Oh, okay, I think he left already the stream. Would it just be a pullback? Yeah, actually, I mean, right now it's in my EMA. So let's see what happens. But this big move usually some news or something that just happened recently. Let me go check if something happened. Well, let me check the government. The U.S. government is still shut down, right? Uh, Still shut down. Let me see. Shut down. Still shut down. Yeah, it looks like it's still shut down. Let me see. Let me watch my any news. No, no. Yeah, still shut down. So yeah, it's best to stay away. My zone is right here, so let's see if we can reach this zone. But yeah, it's still shut down, man. Eating 8-4 fair value gap. I think it rejected for. You mean the top one? Oh, you're talking about. Let's see. Hold on. Oh, you're talking about this? Maybe, bro. Maybe. Let's see. This could be a zone on H4. Yeah, maybe this in black is not gonna work out, right? How do you determine your zone? By the way, very simple. Like for example, the resistance zone is basically just the high. So that's just simple. I just take the high, and then for me the low, the bottom zone is where I see price ranging. So right now, this zone right here, it was the previous resistance zone. It became a support zone. As you guys can see, we broke through here, and then we came back to retest it and through again. So for now, that's the zone that I have for now. I don't care about these. That's what I said before in the stream. I don't know if you were here. I said like this could potentially be a zone, but it's very weak, and I don't trust it. Like we can potentially see a reaction here, and we did have a small reaction, but we just blew through this zone. So my next proper zone is this one. Now, if we don't get there, we start consolidation. Let's say the price start consolidating here, like this. Okay, it doesn't get there, but just boom, 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 boom. Then I just readjust, and then my new zone it will be here. And I just basically wait to see what happens. We continue to react to this zone, and then we start flying. I would like to see some buy opportunities here. My stops below here. Now let's say that this doesn't happen. We just continue to drop. If we continue to drop, I just want to see a reaction from price here, like a doji, something like that. And once I have like an engulfing candle, like here, like we drop, we have a small reaction with the wick, you see, and then the next candle is non-engulfing candle, but we have a bullish candle where we still have like a long wick on the top side, so you can be a bit like iffy and not enter. But then you see the next candle closes above this previous wick, so now we have this whole move here, which just confirms to me that we had a nice reaction, a bullish reaction from this zone, and I would have bought here, it stops below, and let it run. Right now, if you enter right now, it's too dangerous. It's not worth it. So for me, I would just stay out right now until I see more structure from price action. By the way, guys, I need your guys' feedback. Like, what do you guys think of this stream? Did I do good? This is my first live stream with you guys. Like, I always make videos. For ThinkCapital, YouTube, Insta, but I never do live stream. So this is pretty new to me. I don't know if you guys like it. Let me know. It's good. One, what do you guys think for next time if we try to run a trading tournament? Will that be fun for you guys? Like I can save one account for the winner of the tournament. Yeah. Let's go. I think it could be fun. Okay, so I have the two winners. I don't know how to find what is he? I think he left the stream, but Saif Khan. I need his Twitter handle, but if no, it's okay. Sounds interesting, Adrian. I mean, if you guys send a DM to Andre, that's perfect. Add a dog cam to increase viewers. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see. I have the cat. The cat is sleeping right now, so I don't know if you guys can see it. Can you guys see it? He's awake now. But I think this is it from me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being part of my first ever interview. I just hope we can continue to grow from here, make it more fun, make it more interesting. And especially thank you again for helping me grow ThinkCapital Spanish channels. And I hope you guys have a good day, great day, and God bless you all. See you guys next Thursday. Bye bye. Bye.